Confused by the complexity of the spinal cord? Let's make it simple. Introduction to the Spinal Cord Series with Dr. Vaishali Barambe. This series include topics as external features, internal organization, pyramidal tract plus lesions, pain temperature pathway, dorsal column pathway, unconscious proprioception, extrapyramidal tracts, blood supply, histology, spinal cord development, anatomy of lumbar puncture, anatomy of lesions part 1 and 2, and MCQs to test your knowledge on spinal cord. This playlist offers a complete journey into the spinal cord. Subscribe now and elevate your learning. Watch on our YouTube channel to learn, understand, and visualize the central nervous system with detailed videos and MCQs. Like, share, and subscribe to simplify your CNS learning journey. Link below. Start now.